8 balls kusha kwake
kudukutulira
kiasi akunzi kune investigation ekuitwa yokunzi kana munhu akarowa nesake
amawani
gavhmendi handishoko ndekungosunga vanhu pasina zvavo unongopinda usvibiswa mweya ndogema ari kuita chete angopinda usvibiswa
alright, saka vaitibata 10:10
alright sure
Kuda and I had no issues, and because I asked Kuti all this languages, no, Kuda and I had no issues at all, and I even responded when I just take and everything, and professional.
Here's what, you know something? Here's what literally gave that agreement was cancelled on the back of there was too much noise taking place in the market. It wasn't cancelled, it never took place from then onwards. Sotic was supposed to be used to raise money for the country for the next 10, 15 years, and they were going to use throughput of the agreement. They were never going to disturb anything. No one was going to disturb. Every fuel was going to come. We just tried to use that vehicle in the pipeline for cleaning fuel. That was it. But it never took off because that's when all this that Trump was writing all the things that they were writing and all the crazy shit that was taking place at that time. So we decided not to do anything about it, and that's what happened. Yeah, so that thing never took off. It was never approved by the administration. Never got through to public jets. My wife accounts and supposedly it was just too noisy and too toxic. And at the same time, my accounts were being frozen. So it was just going to, it was just messy. Even my accounts I can't over. Yeah. But all I can just tell you that sometimes it just was, it's unfortunate that he never wanted to listen to me. He was just trying to pick up fights. Now he had gone to appoint people, CEO, I didn't like that, I don't mind him, I don't like him, I don't care about him. I think he's a character of some note. But, and the human, didn't know whether I got it,
Ndikataka ndisekuru wako ana kubva kuna chasi. The chasi was given a directive na sekuru wako.
So but the man that got that part to say so also. And it was directive confrontation, Yeah. So I used to coach chasi actually I was watching the chasi. Don't get yourself involved in unnecessary politics, Know where the things are going and just do them. I would give you what Dara would have approved or what Dara wanted. I would coach us and show him and say, this is where Dara is. You see how we should follow and what about Chakonda and so forth, And Dara was pissed off that time, with this guy, And to tell you with Chazwashoga, with a push on Chazanga, I did a position and we did actually.
Yeah. Vitu alianza hata kusunga and everything.
No, kusunga. Yeah, but you get participate, but I find out. Akasunga something in my life. I'm telling you, he's not going to be arrested. That's not president, so the show was an execution of government, and you agree with it. That is going to happen. I promise you. But
Sekurawa is a soda. Why does he appoint people he doesn't know?
This is the thing about it. You are so angry and upset with people. It's just because chassis was the thing about it. The thing that chassis should stand for. Chassis animal issues for Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Food by Adida. I don't see what the relation that we done. I know we are Twitter together. Even what I've said, don't build some relationship I know that relationship was going to make life difficult. But before I got point from the other one, you know that see Mr. President, okay.
The issue is, which you and I must talk about, is that different from government, they appointed people who he knew. You know, Kakaskure called me, do you know what he said? Says, I've never wanted not to work no kama wa kutemba, but ndiye akizepa cabinet yake kuti vanhu vake ndani chero chinamasa nomusiya chondivanhu unono ndiopa kembo chiwenga, otherwise vesaka inotemba weitomusa kutela cost hapana kana ndivanakamboyakambotikandomira cost from the minister's prime. So how then do you appoint people who don't follow the party policy? Because the point of appointment, which was important, was first of all they come from the party and they go with party policy in any government policy. And it was a good question which I could not answer. When you talk about non-equitable distributional position, Nkomo does not even know the people. I mean, Chinamasa came to and said, what value does Kirsty bring to the party or to ED? With what I have done, he would have moved Chinamasa to learn energy better. Chinamasa didn't know the matter.
No, that discussion I had just said. Probably do you know that another guy or that called Kupie, that chief secretary? The person who's religion are way to chief secretary.
Exactly.
And because, you know what, they appoint this guy as technocrats. And I was asking this question, and those things can have done more work in the month. And what do you think this guy will say? Because he's going to be professional. And there's nothing professional about Bamunda.
He does not know Chinamasa is gay. He's defended him. He's in government. He can fit anyway and adhere to party policy in government. Unafikiri Chinamasa alivuja nini kudoleta kupinda naito? Kwa amesikisti in wanasema wakati the name before me is away. No. It's not about Hakuna Anu. Energy is, do you know what? I would have even moved Kazemi to energy. I would have done that.
That's better.
I want to be honest with you. I would have done that. So that, and this is what the speaker said to me one day. Did you not say to me? Why does it not consult about some of these members who are appointed so that I also tell them about their performance in parliament? Are you with me? Because that's an indicator of whether somebody is articulate or not. Look at some of the ministers who are not, Deputy Minister of Finance, who can put in Abba Mashingo and so forth. Yet you got people there who have capacity. I mean, energy is what drives the country. This guy will not articulate. Could you some Geo was going to that deputy minister and going to see I don't understand that. She's not an easy pusher. And she'll go with the party policy and government policy and will never fight and die. Are you with me? Geo was better. And when you saw that you want to watch quadrants and then you give energy after accumulated from food and food. I understand. These are some of the things could have gone which shows leadership you are chasing with you. Which committee does it sit on? What is it? The written MBA and degree action of cotton is not be like that. They don't survive agriculture. I can name there's a minister any day. Are you with me? I'm not really I can't have called for Zach and that is my point of energy. But the mission is about to come and see the other. They're destroying that way. I'm telling you. I mean, I've come to I'm coming to see you on Tuesday before government.
But it's too late now.
No, but my point is, I'm
president should have a different voice. And and I thought maybe I should go and become a voice in his office so that he can bounce stuff off me, because these things that they do them without consulting. You get to understand it a bit late. Because, like I'll give you an example. He tells me about Masugani. He told me about Masuka like a week before, just about a week before. That's what I wanted to argue. And I said, but these are the things about it. But it's a political. It's not a.
It's a campaign.
Masuka cannot campaign on your behalf.
Central Committee member, and what we did was good. If we can appoint your minister, make sure you go to Central Committee and PB.
It's a political position. It makes you lose or win an election. So the Masuka, I know command agriculture and teach what they said. We have to sit down and talk to them. You want them. They got to come and talk to this guy.
No, but I thought this was better. I thought somebody did this. Somebody not told me, do you know what I would have done? If I want to put a technocrat, I would have promoted by myself.
But you can't, the thing about it, you are killing the ministry.
No, but I would have appointed by myself. Because Brazil understands the system, understands what I'm saying. And you and I spending time on this shows the importance of these two sectors in the economy, agriculture and energy.
You are okay with all this thing.
No, but then I told you, one that did kuleni kwenda political thing, ukwenda we sort of know the nose here, and you will say that you want to perform, upanda the constitutions yake.
Do you know what I was saying? You're going to say tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, calm down. Don't argue. Don't shout. Just go and say, Chef, Chaka is somebody in your office. And again, I've been an office man. I try to enforce certain key objectives, to push for certain key objectives that are for your election. Because now that is already set, now that is already put all these things in place, there is an somebody who will decide, okay, with a commander approach, and who is going to follow through those things. And who will go and tell it's okay. You look at one project that project here agriculture, in commander approach. So they say that's all not. When the energy was got someone in order to visit Makiba field of the Dutch are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. She just for president.
Yeah.
Because because he's already appointed. When the monitors companies, this is what we're going to do. He is going to focus, that person just has a focus on concentrate on key objectives. So, because he's already appointed, he can't change it now.
It's the same thing. What I worried about Mzuguramu, same thing like special anti-corruption in China Tadam in his office. It's a Tagan, it's an extortionist movement. What does he need that for? That's what I'm not talking about. What? You've got two NDC people that are Zukura NDC, Tadana, now they're targeting Rwanda, which I mean, go, you're not telling me to now go do exactly the same thing with Rwanda. Why does it need that? There are institutions, there's the Anti-Corruption Commission, there's the therapy. And it's an institution about leadership. You know, like the speaker said in the temple.
For you to dissolve Baratabani, office they have no role to play.
And because I spoke in Constitution, I spoke to Ziambiti, that whole thing reports to the Attorney General, to the Prosecutor General's office. Why does the man go there mkoma walikwenda kujerishwa bora kuchita kushanda nini kana shanda nini muze kukamata wengine kumata nikuti unaenda clash with these are the issues I want to talk to you about tomorrow. Are you with me?
But what I'm telling you is that
kulitawe wanweni kuchikide chingozi imakanuza kuda mvukuru umuswanye wawe wataka kuona ikumbaku mkakamchile ndamakabu na chimtume nikuna kaitawe. It's an example I give. Are you with me? He told me that. But one of the chance at Stalin, he has worked hard for you, I do it, I can't tell you that. But kujifanya hili kipenda kuti nini kwa mwezi kitu kiwa ini wana wanapita mao. And this is where my whole thing is coming from.
We move matara nye kwa mera tazishi. Karana msinda asla kuli basa mpise. I don't know why is that paper attacking me like that in my source. It's unnecessary.
Because she's just doing a good job, that's it. She's equal up but she does a good job. Come see that you don't tell in the morning, absolutely. You know? And then he goes on. This is what I'm saying, Kuti. This is the issue that I'm saying to Kuta. It's not the thing.
Yeah. Anyway, with the issue I got chassis. So the chassis, I tell you, who was there? He does not listen. And he goes against. In the challenge of what I know about this industry, whether energy or otherwise, but most important is to know your leaders if you're in a position on a certain issue. And the chance is not told what to do. Like this was it. So that's just like that history and over. Right now, there are others that are so that you can never find. And I'm going to sit you down with him. And I'm going to sit down with him. And actually, I was not put that chance to so that she did not kiss her and she don't put this out. Where the off board, you're not going to have the machine. Aupo ushuka kaswali knowledge actually display. Unaware what to solve. These are the things that are there. These are the problems. I will tell you how to resolve them. Usawe ufunga uchichi. Usawe uchichika uchichi. Something is going to happen to you. What. As long as good and president not trouble with the same line, that is very important. So, and he will succeed. If he just listen. And your chance was too. He thought he was treated. This is not about intelligence. This is about using the resources that are there to make the country great. Period. And they should know the limitations. Examples are the one that's poverty. In any President Wapa is not looking for that labor. Why are we not favoring my case for that labor? That's when they appointed Captain Duvano, the president, he gave it too expensive. I think President Duvano has to tell. The man that I asked him, the one that said that, I didn't get to Chagi, Katano, so Taga Foy, about account to food. Eva, the guy they might find, guide to Pakistan. So the guy said, now to be able to please everyone, he was now using more water from Kari than anyone is going to go to Kari. And right now, the levels are low. And yet you're supposed to protect that water for October 27. And the Oguchi one is dead, the room of fire at the So, and then at the same time, Banashi, Barama Mojga will be pushing what we don't like that. But Ukuma Mojga knows that I'm not. And so you'll be biting both sides of the bank. Come on. So, Chansiga, any Ukum was outside. In your food about it, but not about those. Don't move out here, I never said manage our issues and see another issues. And it goes to that. What the hell was it trying to do with them? What was that about? And I know exactly, the president told me exactly what happened on that issue. Yeah, with them.
But I'm got I told project here. Yeah, we know.
And that's another notice. He was away from work for about a week, 10 days.
Yeah, but my court rulings are equal. I will footy. No, court.
chasi kana akapana kana politician anayachita kushenya nyaya yawo anouya kwatiri toti nina toita sene nyaya yawo inochifana andika because ndikuti zvakati kana vachida kuti kuti ndaite mberi ati togara pasi okay how are we going to structure this? One of the things that I am pushing is one of the reasons why I'm a being attacked a lot is that there are no Zimbabweans who are participating in the economy to the extent that I am. So we need to push more Zimbabweans out there so that they need to participate and succeed.
Yeah, I can do point.
So that's what I'm pushing. So that we can use that which is actually selection by Abudi, project is $87 million is significant in terms of size. And so if it succeeds, then all of us are going to be fine. But not the way that you did it, you know. You put it on your lap, which is direct, you know, because it's continue. When you're not certain things. And some of the people that just was talking about that project that are your people that you don't like. That will go there.
I want to
say, more policy. That's another answer. You told me.
Ndaga ini mundizame tulangu ni kukundinga ulinga wakobati ndikanzvakuenda kundikuna muzukuru wangu zvatopera zviro zvazvo aungo kwakanzoti ndaenda kumakwata kunokuno saka izvo ndiri very clear ndosaka ndichinetsekana kudai kana yangu yekuti nyika yakatakwa yese vanhu vanyara ndinobuda ndivabetsera ndodifenda nenyaya But Jonathan Mina always said, but why should I worry about somebody until the Mamira Mika Marika not to Mika Maki? I don't know because Jonathan will never tell me mostly. Jonathan will never talk about because I told you, first of all, how we put an do D means Zimbabwe. And if you allow him to be that sort of person to and so forth, Jonathan and Jonathan, and you never happen. I finished in one part, telling me that is the best of that. And to me, it also talks about the weak.
But let me tell you this. I'll tell you. That is ever going to have to chance.
Yeah, make sure. No, activity is near the rose land. When I tell them do you know between me and me, I'm telling you, I have a meeting with Mutamba, Charumbira, and Yatsiko. Wakaya kubaifu my face. Even the thing that they want to democracy. All these things. When I had been very involved. We are the one. Because in every one of anti-corruption ariko hapana zvikiti
saka kutsika kudzimba
courts and now they are after Chamungira, they are after Mutamba. And these are people who have investigated Chinese from destroying the community. When I tell them to these are not the answer. And you have the evidence. Chinese are not from Sudan because the city council and this company are not taking the land and not find the ADC. And so on. And let me share this between you and me. And everyone knows. Do you know that the nation where I was going to the prison, I didn't know when I realized who is the accused, the complainant, as next side. Why? He went and reported him. It's like, could I report to you when he did a land, when he takes a land? And then he as the complainant, there are no one of getting to stop. So we checked him. Okay, he went there twice and it was not even recorded by the prison. When I tell them they are people, about the date and the time, How do we enter a prison without being recorded? I change the statement of officer in charge. This is what I'm saying to you. Our female we didn't tell us one is not in control of anything. It is a way who is not president. Makambo Wanda accused. Actually going to complain with a criminal matter. Yet it's the state that is now responsible. Personal investigating officer.